In this episode, you will learn how to cleverly enhance your influence and authority in social situations using 2 speaking techniques from dark psychology. Tackle common yet challenging social scenarios, from boosting personal charm to navigating complex interpersonal relationships, helping you effortlessly excel in various social settings. Welcome to CovertPsychTactics. Unleash the power of psychological mastery. Designed for the smart and curious, our channel delves deep into the art of mind control and influence. Are you eager to gain an edge in mental strategy? Subscribe, bookmark, and share. Become an expert in psychological tactics. Technique 1. Concise language in dark manipulation. In dark psychology, concise speech is not only a symbol of wisdom, but also a powerful tool for manipulating others' perceptions. As Robert Greene states in The 48 Laws of Power, by restricting the flow of information, you can control how others view you, thereby increasing your mystique and power. Practical focus. Less is more. In conversation, brevity is golden. The less you speak, the greater your influence, leaving a lasting impression. Mystery. Speaking less creates an aura of mystery, making others believe you know more, thus adding weight to your words. Symbol of high status. Conciseness is often seen as a sign of high social status. Practical example. In a tense business negotiation, when the opposing team is elaborating their demands, you wait for the right moment and then say clearly and firmly, "These ideas are creative and interesting, but let's focus on the key points." This strategic and concise response not only makes you appear calm amidst chaos, but also steers the discussion, showcasing your leadership and establishing your efficiency and authority among colleagues. Technique 2. Maintaining verbal sovereignty in dark psychology. Daniel Goleman mentions in Emotional Intelligence that confidence and self-esteem are key to effective communication. However, in dark psychology, these traits are used to establish and maintain personal dominance. Controlling the pace of conversation is essentially manipulating the power dynamics in social situations. Practical focus. Uninterrupted. In group discussions, insist on finishing your point. Even if someone tries to interrupt, persist in completing your statement. Show self-respect. Persisting against interruptions shows respect for yourself and clear boundaries. Earn respect. This behavior makes you appear more authoritative in the eyes of others, thereby gaining more respect. Practical example. During a team discussion, when you are interrupted mid-sentence, respond with a calm and firm tone. "I haven't finished yet. Please give me a minute." If the other person's attitude remains aggressive, add moral pressure. For example, say, "Please do not interrupt me like that. It's quite rude." This direct and decisive approach not only displays your confidence, but also implies your unquestionable authority. Such a strategic communication style establishes a subtle control in the team, positioning you as a leader subconsciously. Preview of the next episode. As you master this art, your social charm will continue to grow, bringing you closer to success. You will become a symbol of confidence and allure, capable of capturing attention anytime, anywhere. Remember, this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will unveil even deeper secrets to mastering social influence. Next episode preview. Thanks to the attention, comments, and discussions from brothers, sisters, and fans across multiple platforms. Talking about dark psychology eye manipulation seems simple, but practical application is difficult. Therefore, we're launching EP12, Beginner's Guide to Dark Psychology Eye Manipulation. Starting from the basics, you'll learn how to convey various emotions and intentions through simple eye movements. Make your gaze your strongest weapon and unleash its true power. Are you ready to dive deep into the shocking field of dark psychology? Join us in exploring the mysteries of dark psychological manipulation. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts and expectations about dark psychological manipulation in the comments. This will be a journey that changes your perception of psychology.